Henry McClure Live. Happy Sunday. How are y'all doing? And I've been going through some stuff trying to clean up the area here. We may be having more guests around here to look at the art collection. The rec room, the recreational area here, the common area rec room will double as a gallery, and we could have meetings here for the Republican Party and for Agape Village. Look at this. You can get your ideas out of you know. Bianca just drove up. I love seeing my daughter. Hey, we have a new candidate for District 1. I'll tell you all about it. He's going to be on the show Wednesday at 2 o'clock, Henry McClure Live. One of the most interesting things about this dude was he came to Topeka and used the Choose Topeka benefit. But what I want to know is how come he didn't get the full benefit? Hey, there she is.
Hello.
Hello.
What are we doing?
We're going to hang some art. Are we going to talk like this today?
Always mine.
Oh, 444. Look at that.
Yeah.
Hey, where's your tattoo?
Oh, it's on my shoulder.
Oh, where? I mean,
over here.
Okay, because I was talking to a tattoo guy. Mm-hmm. He's going to have to close his store in the mall because it's just not enough foot traffic, not worth the rent. Look at her. She's so much. Look at this kid. Ooh, you know what? I found a book she wrote.
Oh, God.
I can't wait to show it to you.
Okay.
But so I'm going to get the 444.
Okay.
And I want to get it before May 2nd.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of shit went down May 2nd, baby. All right. The Bentleys are here. The Kansas City Bentleys. So I love you guys. You love them?
Bye.
You love any of them?
Yeah,
maybe,
all of them.
Maybe one.